you for watching. Today on Cooking for Noobs, we're making Cajun style dishes. We're going to be making creamy Cajun chicken pasta, and we're going to be making bacon collard greens. So come along and cook with us. So 2 teaspoons Cajun seasoning. 1. So tossing to coat, I might actually add a little bit of seasoning. Oh, actually that's probably fine. No, actually no, I am going to add more because I forgot I'm doubling this recipe. There we go. I put my seasoning on the chicken. I'm going to let it just sit in the fridge for a little bit while I'm waiting. The tutorial. And I might mess it up, but he just went like this, and he said if it's tender enough, the leaf should just come off. So that worked pretty good. So then all you have left is just the stem. Pretty easy. He did kind of do like a bunch at a time, but I'm just gonna do, and then there's like, yeah, there's a little bit of the stem in the middle. He made it look so easy. It wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be though. The first one worked so well. What's going on here? Okay, that's good. Maybe if I just get it started, it'll go. Okay, that worked. Just a little bit of stem left. It just says chopped, so I'm really excited about when we get all the bacon and like, I think we put butter in there, bacon and onions and stuff, and start rendering the fat off the bacon. That's what I'm excited about. It's gonna make the house smell really, really good, I think. Add the bacon in. Bacon. It's a cup of onion. So I kind of forgot that. I was thinking it was a whole onion, but it's not. I'm trying to leave it alone, but I also don't want it to get stuck to the bottom, so that's why I keep stirring it. So what we are waiting for is the onions to get tender and the bacon crisp. Then we're adding the greens, and we're cooking until just wilted. And then we're going to add in the chicken broth and the seasonings. Just chopped in my sun-dried tomatoes. I think it's okay if it's a little bit more than 2 tablespoons, so I'm just going to do whatever this becomes. Add the greens and cook until just wilted. I'm going to do that now. This is the fun part. Looks like collard greens. And the nice thing is it's cooking down, and so the actual ingredients are kind of spreading throughout. So it's 5 cups of broth, which seems like a lot, but 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to add in my sun-dried tomatoes. Half teaspoon garlic powder going in. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Is next. I guess I am adding salt, but not very much. And then the last thing is 1/4 teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes, which I have here. And this is a new one too, so I need to open this one too. Stab this guy too. Cover or not. Yep, so reduce heat, cover, and simmer for 45 to 50 minutes. There you go. Next is the creamy Cajun chicken pasta. We've already placed the chicken and Cajun seasoning in a bowl, chopped, tossed to coat, and then in a large skillet-ish over medium heat, saute the chicken in butter or margarine until chicken is tender, about 5 to 7 minutes. So it says 2 tablespoons of butter, so I'm going to go ahead and grab that. I love how they number it. I don't know if they do this in every country. Oh, you can kind of see. They number it so you know what tablespoons you're cutting out, how many tablespoons you're getting. Put my butter. I'm actually going to cover this real quick because I find that it kind of cooks it a little bit more thoroughly and it keeps it a little bit more moist. So I'm putting the lid on top of this. Okay, let's get this in there. Oh, basically, I sauteed the chicken in butter. It says or margarine, but I like butter. And I'm going to reduce the heat even a little bit more. I'm going to add the green onion, heavy cream, tomatoes, basil, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and heat through. And then I'm going to make the pasta. So this is 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2, and I'm going to do 3 for now, with the option of 4 in a little bit. That's good. And then 1/8 teaspoon of the garlic powder. And what was the other thing? I'm forgetting now. And the black pepper. Oh, gotta take this lid off. I put a little extra. I like garlic.
Did you put the ice cream already in the freezer?
Yeah. Yes. I picked the bucatini pasta. Oh, you're right. It does have a hole in the middle. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, that splattered a little. Kind of burns. That's okay. And I'm going to add a little bit of green onion.
So I told you, since would you mind praying for us?
Oh no!
And so Dan made it really awkward.
You can kind of see it.
Everyone's like, ooh.
See all the smoke? There's the...
Now this stream is dedicated to someone who actually was not wasn't before.
And then these are the collard greens. We just want you guys to know if it's good or not. Make sure you can see yourself on the camera though. You don't have to sit. You can...
We're just taking the first bite.
Yeah, we're just taking it. Randy, we can't see you. Okay, wait. Whoa.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
Creamy, Cajun-y.
No, that's delicious. That's
Okay, wait. Try the collard greens though.
Chickeny.
Chickeny. That pasta's really flavorful. I like the pasta a lot.
That's amazing too.
Really?
That's really good.
You don't have to say that just because it's...
No, it's good. Your collard greens are good too.
Yeah, I've had them at
Really?
They're very good there.
Yeah.
Oh, I've never had them.
Yeah, they're not good.
So we're good. You like these. So you guys can try the recipe. Thank you for watching.